So for class, we are going to be creating a lap book. So all the information that we learn will be contained in one place, and you'll have kind of a nice little thing you can present to family members or just keep as a keepsake. So we need to create our lap book, so as we go each week, we can put our mini books inside there as we go. There are directions. I posted a link to a Google Drive that had, or it might even be a file in the Facebook page that says assembling the lap book, and those instructions are in there, but we thought we'd show you how to do it. So first of all, you need a file folder. A file folder.
Yes.
Yes.
Any color.
Any color that you want. And then you need three sheets of cardstock.
Any color.
Okay. So this is what.
Oh, and you'll need your vocab.
So this is what it's going to look like after you assemble it. You're going to have your file folder, cardstock page number 1, cardstock page number 2, cardstock page number 3, and we're going to fill those up with all of our mini books. Okay. So now I'll show you how. Grace will help show you how to actually make this.
Okay. So you're going to take your file folder and you're going to fold. It's going to be like doors on your vocab wardrobe thing. Okay, so we're going to fold into the middle.
So we'll kind of line up with the middle and make your top and bottom line up. Get it as close as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Got it? You know.
I don't know. I can't get it like over.
There you go.
It's not lined up on the bottom.
There you go. Line up on the bottom.
But then it doesn't line up at
It's
the
okay.
top.
Give it a good crease.
And then you're going to do that same on the other side. Like that, Mom?
So I think overlap the tab, and so you don't have a gap there. And it's not going to be perfect. File folders are not made perfect, so get it close enough. Okay.
Okay.
So see how it opens up? Yay!
Okay. Now, I just got to crease it down. Okay. So you're going to take one of your pieces of cardstock and line it up on one of your folds on the flap. And then I have pieces of tape already pre-cut. And I'm going to stick that on with an R here.
And we're only going to put it on one side, but if you want to put tape on both sides, that's okay.
Okay, and then you're going to make sure that can fold. Yep. Yeah. And we're using packing tape just because it's a little bit strong. Now you're going to take your other piece of cardstock and then line that up on the other side. Mom, can you hold that?
I can.
And then take your tape and then stick it on. Okay, make sure that can fold. Yes, it can. And then you're going to take your last piece of cardstock and you're going to set it like right in the middle. And then
we lined it up at the top.
Line that up at the top. Hold it. And then you have another piece of tape. Okay, now let's lift it up. I'm going to get it stuck on the table. Just kind of fold it down on the back. Make sure that can fold up. Fold down. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Now that we have that, we are going to take our vocabulary wardrobe. And we are going to glue it down close to the bottom because we're going to put something at the top later on.
So this is your right hand flap.
You want your right hand flap on the top. Okay, I'm going to take some glue. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to set that on the bottom. Leave a little bit of a gap, not too big though. And then just kind of press it on.
And you can see that Grace colored her
I colored my
cabinet in.
cabinet in.
And you can look up online how to color the presidential seal.
Yes. Okay, and that is all that we're going to do for this part.